We go to St. Elizabeth now, where a family of 7 is homeless after fire destroyed their dwelling. TVJ News understands that sometime after 11 o'clock this morning, fire was seen coming from the 2-bedroom house in Harmony District in Santa Cruz. 2 units from the Santa Cruz fire station responded.
When we arrived at the scene, because it's less than a minute drive from the fire station, and the level of damage that we see, it is saying to us that the fire has been burning for a little while. But I just want to issue this advice to the citizens again. Whenever times you have a fire, the first thing you do, try and call the brigade first. Call the brigade and then you go back and see what you can do. Too many times we arrive at fire and people are there trying to put out the fire before they call the brigade.
Now it's further understood that they lost everything. The cause of the fire is being investigated. It's time for another break, but when we come back, the business review and international news. Please stay with us.